Hello guys, welcome to VJ Techno in Microsoft Power BI. Today we are going to learn about combo charts. Combo charts is a combination of two charts. In Power BI we have two possibilities. One is line and stacked column chart and another one is line and clustered column chart. And we can use combo charts to compare two categories on same visual with two different value ranges. It's similarly same as line chart, and we discussed about line chart in previous video. I give that link in description and card. So watch that video and then you can understand what's the combo charts. I mean what's the dual axis, like primary axis, secondary axis. You can understand that. Okay, let me go deeply in combo charts. In combo charts, we can able to check whether one measure meet the target, which is defined by that another measure. Simply for example, we have two measure, one as actual sale and another one as target sale. So we can easily know whether the actual sale meet the target sales or not. And for actual sale, we represent in bar chart, and target sale we represent in line chart. Okay, this is the sample image of combo charts. Okay guys, let me do it practically in Power BI desktop. Okay guys, here we have the data set and I added the two columns. One is actual revenue and another one is a target revenue. Okay, now in visualization part I choose this line and stacked column chart. Let me add date in shared axis and choose year. Okay, next in column values I plot actual revenue. In line values I plot target revenue. Okay guys, here we have line chart and column chart also. Now I enable that secondary axis. As of now we have one y-axis and one x-axis. In search bar I search for secondary. See, in y-axis we have that show secondary axis option. Now I enable that. See, that bar chart indicates actual revenue, and in left side y-axis represent actual revenue, and in right side y-axis represent the target revenue. We can also change that legend. Like in legend we can add styles markers only, and I'll made it at line and marker. So the line chart shows that legend as line, and for column chart it shows that legend as marker. Okay, let me enable data label. Yeah, now it's showing data label. Okay guys, see, in 2011, 13 and 14 actual revenue reached the target, but in 2012 actual revenue not reach the target revenue. Okay, so for that we can easily understand whether that one measure reach that another measure or not in by using the combo charts. Okay, we can also add a conditional formatting to differentiate the colors. Like if the target actual revenue reach the target, then it shows green color. If that actual revenue not meet the target, then it shows red color. We can do this by creating a function. Let me create one measure. Inside this measure I'll give one condition. If sum of actual revenue greater than sum of target revenue, then the colors should be green. Inside the double quotes I'll give that code, color code, and then if that actual revenue is less than the target revenue, then it means actual revenue not meet the target, so it's indicating red color. So in else part I'll give that red color code. Okay, see, if that sum of actual revenue greater than the target revenue, then this color code will be applied. If sum of actual revenue not greater than, I mean less than the target revenue, then that color code will be red. This is an else part. Okay guys, okay, we closed all the parentheses. Now I'll check that. Okay, let's go to data colors. Inside the data colors, in default color we have that fx function, so just click that fx, and in format style give as field value, and then choose that measure what we created, then click OK. See, 2011, 13, 14 actual revenue reached the target revenue, so it shows in green color. But 2012 actual revenue not meet the target revenue, so it shows in red color. Okay guys, this is the purpose of this column chart. And in column series is same as legend. You can plot another category, like I had plot product category. Now it shows multiple colors for multiple categories. If you have less than 5 category, then you can use line and cluster column chart. But if you have more than 5 categories, then you can use that line and stacked column chart. Okay, if you plot any column in column series, then you cannot able to do that conditional formatting. Okay, see, in data colors we don't have that function, but you can change the color what you like for each categories. When you disable that column series, then you can able to do that conditional formatting. That's all guys, that's all about combo charts. In upcoming video we will discuss about area charts and stacked area charts. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel and click that bell icon, then only you can get notification when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching guys.